I am a big fan of using Squarespace plugins to make your Squarespace websites better. I talk a lot about this. Today I'm excited because I'm featuring my favorite Squarespace plugin ever. It is from Square Websites and it's called Universal Filter. And without exaggeration, it has made a huge difference in my business. I'm going to show you up close with some examples that are going to inspire you. Let's do it. I'm Phil Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I share practical advice to build your brand. Today I'm in Madrid, Spain, and I am really excited for this video. I partnered up with my friends at Square Websites, one of the most well-known third-party vendors for Squarespace websites. I have been their customer many times, and today I'm showing you the Universal Filter up close. This filter is arguably one of the best third-party plugins for any Squarespace website, giving you functionality and filtering that Squarespace simply cannot give you on its own. I use the Universal Filter on my portfolio page of my own website with over 60 personal branding examples. Prospective customers can browse my work based on style and category, all defined by me, and I'm going to show it to you in more detail in a moment with some other examples. Now you might be wondering, but Phil, why would I need this? Well, Squarespace offers very basic filtering options, sometimes for some things like blogs, products, galleries, and events. But with the Universal Filter, you can do so much more. Fancier drop-downs for categories and tags, the ability to sort by name, price, and other variables, and even a search functionality. I'm going to jump over to my computer now so we can take a closer look together. A moment ago, I used my own website as an example, and now we're going to take a closer look. This is probably the most important page on my website, philpallen.co/projects, where I house all of the branding projects that I have done over the years in a portfolio. Now, limited to Squarespace's ability to filter, I didn't have a good way of showcasing all of these in a fun, quick, interactive way. And so I'm going to show you how I'm using Square Websites Universal Filter here. With a quick click on the drop down, you can organize here by category, so bloggers and creators, coaches and consultants, food and beverage, and so on. As well, I also want to give people the option of choosing by style here, okay? So different branding styles, classic, colorful, corporate. And immediately once I select a style, you'll see that it rearranges here in a really cool way. I can search alphabetically and right away, again, using the parameters that I've defined, it will show results that fall within that search. And I'll switch over to the back end very quickly to show you the tech setup of how this is set up after you install, and make sure you follow those instructions that they provide closely. If I go ahead and click on settings, and what I've organized here is a summary block, okay, and that's representing, or that's holding each thumbnail that can be filtered or organized by two variables here. Built into Squarespace, you've got your tags. In this instance, I'm using tags to sort by style. So in this example, you'll see that one is colorful. I've also got categories, and I'm using categories to sort exactly that, the way that I've grouped my projects by industry or category. There are lots of ways to customize this filter, so I want to show you a few more examples. I'm going to show you another example. This is from Art Center's Exchange and Study Away program. It's about halfway down the page, and you'll notice right away some similarities to the filter that I have installed on my own website. But this example is great because it's showing you that you can have more than one or two filters. In this example, you can filter by major, by location, by type, by term, and you can even sort it alphabetically, as in the example that I showed you on my site. This is so awesome for prospective users to be able to find information quickly, and I love this example to show just how many filters you can have. Here's another totally different example, really visual. This is Observation Kit, where they have actually organized beautiful illustrations that don't even have text unless you hover over. They've organized almost like this little kit with all these little items that you can filter by category here based on what you're looking for. It's really super cool. It's likely they've contacted Square Websites Premium Support to get some help on how to have this really awesome hover over effect where the text appears, right? So you click it, you see an image, you see the text. It's really amazing what you can do in Squarespace, especially when you're using plugins like the Universal plugin or something else from an amazing vendor like Square Websites. just a few more examples, which I hope are starting to give you lots of ideas on how you can incorporate this on your own website. I think it's important we speak to e-commerce. A function like this on your website could mean make or break when it comes to selling your products or services. So Jean-Michel is the brand here, and I just love here for something totally different. We're seeing a vertical navigation down along the side, almost like a little sidebar where you can actually filter here based on things like product, geography. I love that with some customization, we can see these without having to actually click the drop down. So it's opposite. You'd normally think you'd click the drop down to see it. They have them all visible up front so you know what are the parameters that you can filter by. This is really beautifully done, and if I'm searching for something specific, I can add that here. Remember, the search functionality is built into this plugin. And finally, with this last example, I'm trying to prove that you don't need to be overwhelmed or that this doesn't need to be too fancy, especially if you're just starting out. Nelson Bay's Primary Health uses the plugin here for their community directory. I showed you lots of examples with lots of filters. Look how beautiful and simple this is, okay? One that is default set to all that you can click down here, and it will filter all kinds of information that is relevant for you. And as we saw before, it's got that search feature. This is a really beautiful example for organizing information. So there you go. That's the Universal Plugin by Square Websites with a few examples: creative, real estate, food and beverage, even any e-commerce website could benefit from this. The possibilities truly are endless. This is the best way and most advanced way to filter and sort any data on your Squarespace website. I am linking to it below for the latest pricing and installation instructions. It works on Squarespace 7.0 and 7.1. It does require JavaScript, and it does include basic free support, okay? So that's help to install and activate the filter with a basic configuration on your page. But if you need anything more, something more advanced like I did, you can reach out to them directly to Squarespace Websites, who offer premium support for this plugin at a super affordable hourly rate. It is so worth it because this powerful plugin is so flexible. Michael and Taylor and the team at Square Websites are so awesome, and they'll be happy to help you. If you've got any other lingering questions, comment below. I keep the conversation going on down there, and I respond to those personally. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Next, I'm linking you through to a few other videos that I think you'll be interested in. I'm Phil Pallen. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.